Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel English with Kavya. So friend, today I have come out with my sisters. So it's been a long time that I have come out and because the weather is so pleasant, monsoon season has started, so we thought let's go outside and record some video while walking. So in this video I will share my English learning journey. I mean, when I started speaking, so I used so many application around 5 6. So I thought let's share with you all. If you are looking for a partner, so you can also use those application. So so first time I used a Hybro application. So this app provides 20 minutes free calling. You can talk to co-learners for 20 minutes only. So it was good for me because I was not knowing any too much English. So I used to every day. I used to use this application every day, and on this application you will find beginners or intermediate level person, so you can use this application. So it was good for me. And the second, it was CV application. So CV application provides I think 30 minutes free calling, and you can also get subscription there. I found one AI teacher who taught me grammar. So I used to make so many grammar mistakes, so they taught me where I was wrong, where I was right. So the app provides 30 minutes free calling, and the app is also good. It worked for me because in that application I found so many South Indian people. Their English was so good. Here you can find upper intermediate level people or advanced pupil. So I found, and it worked for me, and I enjoyed using this application. And third I used it was peer app application. And peer app application I also use now because this application provides unlimited calls. So when I don't have anyone to talk with, so I use this application, and the app is also good. And here you can also find, I mean, advanced pupil, beginner or upper intermediate level learners. So that this app is best for me. So you can use this if you don't have anyone to practice with. Duolingo, but here you will not connect anyone because this application is like quiz type application, quiz gaming application. And here you will learn grammar. This application is best for grammar, I can say, because Duolingo provide Hindi sentences you have to convert into English. So I also used this, and it is also a best application as fluency. But as fluency, this application provides 30 minutes free calls. Of course you will get um, take subscription, but when I was using application I didn't take any subscription. So i was I was a free user. Yes. So this app provides 30 minutes, but this application work for me because in on that application I faced so many network issue. So I didn't use for long, so I uninstalled this application. If you can download, of course you can download, and you can try to use this application. I faced a network issue problem, so you might not face. The application I used was Talk Now application. And if I talk about this application, so it was not it was not, I mean, now it was not a speaking application, it became a dating app. So I will not recommend this application. Of course, here you will find co-learners, but more than that, you will find some boys or girl who is looking for what to talk with girls or boys. I mean, you can understand what I am trying to say. So, of course, the app provides unlimited calls. There is no restriction of call limited. Earlier, I told about Habro, so the app provides only 20 minutes, but this application provides unlimited call. So, this didn't work for me, so I will not recommend this. Why I'm sharing with you, if you watch any advertisement about talk now application, so you may eager to download this application. So that's why, so for me, Habro application and CV, peer app application, and last Duolingo, these worked for me. So you can also use this if you like. So thank you for listening, watching my videos. So which application you are using right now, let me know in the comment box. So I will meet in the next video. Till then, take care.